Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports, hot off the press. The catch can kit from EVO for the all new Maverick R. This baby did just drop and we've got them in stock at Big Pine Sports. We're gonna get it installed, tell you a little bit about the catch can kit in a separate video, but wanted to give you that first look. So we've got the catch can and then everything else is part of the install kit. 435 427-3338. We do have these in stock, ready to go. If you'd like to get your name on one, give us a call, shoot us a text, or check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. It's after hours right now. It's a beautiful day here in Fairview, Utah, and it's going on this beast. Have a great night, everybody.